Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Found a small issue with the underbelly of an RV. So we're going to go down, we're going to take this coroplast down, see if we can see what's going on. Had some water leaking up here in the front, so we're going to see what we can find. Well, what kind of...
Kind of fucking piece is it?
Can I take that down? So it's all the way out of the strip. One more. Well, it's definitely cool under there.
Yeah, I felt the cold air hit you.
Don't understand these things. Yeah, that would be all that. You can see nothing. Get some pliers or something.
There you go.
Yeah, they're like nails.
Huh.
So yeah, they use these nails.
So self-tappers what we'll have to.
Yeah. And I only want to take down.
What you have to, I understand that one.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Don't you have a bigger bar?
Yeah, but it'd be worse, I think, because it's thicker.
Oh, okay. Whatever it is, it's dripping.
That's the ace. Oh.
Your part.
Huh?
Which way was that turned?
What are you talking about?
I kicked the camera. Got it.
That's like inside of it.
Yeah, it is because there's nothing up here wet.
Well, that's good.
I know, but why? That's wet.
I don't think.
You want me to go get a lighter? I mean a light.
Yeah.
Do you have one in your toolbox or you need the one from inside?
Inside.
It's not coming from in there.
Like I said, that's good. Well, because that front corner's down. I wonder if,
Water, it's
like
getting...
driving in the rain.
Uh-huh. And it's getting in this here and just coming back this way and draining out.
Yep.
So it's getting between these two.
Yep.
So we need to when we do this, we need to fix that end as well. If that means going and buying some of these self-tapping things, then we need to do that.
I have some.
Okay. And it looks like one's all we're going to need.
Well, I popped 2.
Well, or whatever we need here, yeah.
I think I have enough to do, and tape. Let's walk up here. Oh.
Huh.
So we think we found the issue. I'll bring you under here. I'll show you what we're talking about. And get my old cripple. So this front corner here, looks like they just filled it with spray foam, and there's no tape on it. So I'll trim back some of this foam so we could get it up there flatter. Then I'll run a piece of Gorilla Tape across this front lip. We've been driving in a lot of rain lately, so I think that's a good start, and go from there.
Because it's wet between our barriers. It's not wet on the inside.
Correct.
So it's got to be coming in from somewhere here between, what's that stuff called?
Coroplast.
The core, yeah. Okay.
But I'll trim this out, clean it up, so this will lay flatter. So let's do that.
Okay.
Okay, we're back. Got my little handy utility knife. I'm going to try to cut this spray foam back. Gentle, I don't want to cut the coroplast. Yeah. The idea was there, but the execution was horrible. I was telling the viewers, I was like, the thought was there, but the execution was horrible. So, not very good, Keystone. I put a self-tapper in this corner, and I run some Gorilla Tape across that. Let's go to the other side. Alright, so now we're on the campsite. You can come in with that. Over here, you know. So we're here on the campsite. Going to cut all this excess foam out and try not to damage the coroplast. get in here. You know, I mean, it's an attempt. It's not very good. And then I'll just run that Gorilla Tape all the way across. Hold that up, it'll seal these holes on the end so the water's not getting in there. What do you think?
That's been that loose in the middle?
Yeah, probably.
Jesus. That's where the water's coming from.
And as much rain as we've driven in
Yep.
the last month or so.
Hey.
All right, on to the next part. So they're stackable, they lock together. We can carry all kinds of hardware that any self-respecting RVer would need. Just need a couple of these guys. They don't need to be real long. We can put 2 of them in where we popped those nail things out, and then one up here on that front corner to lock it in. But yeah, when they lock together, you can separate, you know, start with one. When you get that full, buy another one. That's how we did it. When they lock together, it doesn't have to be DeWalt, it could be any brand. Just a way to carry your hardware. So, on to the next. And here we go. I wonder if I should leave that down.
To let it dry, maybe out a little bit. It's not really that wet. It's just, it's like caught in the, see the way it's made, it's got little holes in it.
So we took duct tape, put along this coroplast, the front edge of it. Used our little roller to roll it down and help it adhere. I did clean the metal and the coroplast with some denatured alcohol to help with adhesion. It's a little tight under here, as you can see. That should keep water from getting into the coroplast, hopefully. I think we just got to put the metal strip up on the end, and this job will be done.